up, guys? Welcome to the fishing clan, TSM Joey. This is our first video. Oh, Lou just missed a hit because, you know. Here, we have TSM Soupy Style, TSM Lou. We have TSM Joey, who the clan's named after. And we got myself, TSM Soup Night 7. So we're going to be posting fishing videos at least once a week. Just to see, you know, what's good. So let's get into it. First fish of the video is Lou with the Senko. Decent fish. Decent fish. Oh!
I don't have a scale.
Do you have your scale, bro? Lou, what bait were you using?
Oh, this is Senko. Half Senko.
Half the Senko. Lou,
Texas rig, you already know his name.
Joey's got a jerk bait. Jack's got a
Mine's
jerk bait. Look at the size of it. Look at this thing. It's absolutely ginormous.
Woo! I got this. Jack, you have your scale?
All right, here we go. We'll be back to you guys when we're about to weigh them. The fish, guys, that we just lost. It got off the hook and now it's gone. We'll be back to you guys when we get another fish, I guess.
Jazzy's pretty big. Check him out. The Whopper Popper coming in clutch. Here, I got you. I got it.
Jack, get the scale.
Oh, that hurts. Okay, come on. Come on, get up here.
Here, I got it.
You better rip your line.
No, let go.
Okay.
Boat flip.
That thing's just there we go.
All right, and let's go.
Pretty big, not gonna lie.
Woo!
The chubbers.
Let's go. The Whopper Plopper.
That's what we like to see.
Oh, let me try.
Whopper Popper coming in nice 3.3 pounder. Not
Let's
bad.
go, baby. We got pliers. Let me see that thing. Hold it up again. Yeah, mine may have been a little bit bigger. All right, we'll get back to you when we're about to weigh it. Oh, wait, no. What'd you catch it on?
Senko.
Nice.
Senko?
All right, here comes the weighing process.
Nice one. All right. You got it? That way for the zero. Wait, that way for the zero. I got it. Dude, let me do it.
You got it?
All right.
Here we go.
Thomas is being half. Dude, it's 3 pounds. Oh,
2.
No. It's 2.
2.14.
Dude, that's a nice one.
Nice fish, Jack. AGG's in the chat.
All right, get this release. All right, wait, do a screenshot.
Joey's on.
Joey's on. It's a big fish. Joey, don't yank too hard. He's snapping. No, I'm good. All right, just bring him over to the shore. Oh, I'm smaller.
Not the biggest one of the day, but hey, it's a fish.
Bro, that's so small. Everyone's got small.
Yeah, bro. Everyone's caught one. We're good.
Dude, that was weird. I needed this.
Get him out of here.
I have 16 pound line. It won't snap. 60?
16.
Last hook.
Let's go, baby. We'll catch you with the weighing.
We're about to weigh Joey's fish. All right, here we go. Negative. Oh, wait, we forgot to zero. Take it off.
Oh, wait.
1 ounce.
No.
My thumb is torn up. You gotta take it off first.
All right, and then take it off, and then it should say.
And then put it back on.
Take it off.
Oh, he's sharp.
Take it off. Oh!
Okay, no weighing time.
He was 2 pounds.
2 pounds? That's not
Yeah.
bad.
No, 115.
Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad at all.
Yeah. All right, boys. Everyone caught a fish. Mission done. Double up. Biggest bass of his life. PB.
Look at this little boy.
Compared to Joey's.
Oh, yeah. Let's compare it. Let's see if do you get it? Yeah. I'm just kidding. Yeah, how do I do this? I got it. It's going. It's going.
Oh!
I got he's good. And then there's just me. Right now. Somebody caught him before.
Jack, smile.
Look. Oh, I got two.
Yeah. No. That's like a disease or something. He's got the Rona.
Fish can get Rona. Come on, please. Jack. Did you not? Oh. Wait, yeah, do compare. 3.14. 3.14?
That's 3.14. Yo, Joey's on. GG's, boys. This is weird because Joey usually doesn't catch them, but today he's absolutely going crazy.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh, shit, the ladder. No. People litter. Guys, don't litter in ponds, okay? We need the fish. Oh, that's big. That's big.
Like zoom scoobs.
Grab.
Is it bigger? Maybe. I can't even see it, to be honest.
Besides Thomas's. Dude, maybe a little short. Let's go. Look at that thing. Woo! Look at that. This is my foot. Let's go.
You also have a small foot, bro.
Dude, I have size 9.
We'll get back to you with the weigh-in. Let's go. How much do you think it weighs?
2.2.
I'm going to go 3.1.
Dude,
Ow!
always say my PB is like 2 pounds.
My PB.
Dude, this is way bigger than 2 pounds.
Biggest fish of his life, not clickbait.
Stop coming.
Bruh. Release them both.
Just release them.
All right, quick update. Lou has 1. Jack's got 2. Joey's got 2. I've got 1. So, let's see if we can get any
Started
more.
yelling at us. We don't know what it is. Oh my god! I put on a little piece of a Senka. Oh my god! Look
PB?
at that thing. Look at that PB. That's a nice 10-pounder right there.
Like, comment, subscribe.
I'm surprised you can even hold that.
Until next time.
Oh my god, Jack. Why?
Wait, I'm gonna reach somewhere I caught him. Put it back just now.
Okay, Jack, stop running.
Yo, comment down below what type of videos you want to see.
Yeah, it was a good day. We caught like what, 7 fish, including that thing. So.
All right, guys, it's hot and we are all starving. So, we're signing. Oh, never
He a
mind.
little baby. He a little baby, dude. Look at him, dude. Look at his little baby.
With the hula popper. Okay, like I said, guys, it's hot. We're starving. We're going to get out of here, get some food. We'll see you next time on TSM Joey.